If you love a rich, comforting pasta dinner, you're going to obsess over my mom's creamy Bolognese spaghetti. It is so easy and absolutely delicious. Start by adding a drizzle of olive oil to a pan, followed by 1 chopped onion. Give it a brief stir and let it cook on low heat for a couple of minutes. Add salt to your taste and keep stirring until the onion turns a beautiful light golden color. Next, add 2 pounds of ground beef. Break it down with your spoon as it cooks, mixing it well with the onions. Sauté the beef, add a bit of more salt to taste, and half a spoon of black pepper. Mix it all up and cook for a few more minutes until the beef is fully browned. Now, pour in 750 grams of tomato sauce and mix it into the beef, letting it simmer for a couple of minutes. Then comes the magic ingredient. Add 1 cup of Alfredo sauce. If you don't have it, heavy cooking cream works perfectly fine too. Mix everything together and let those flavors marinate on low heat for about 10 minutes. While the sauce is simmering, let's boil the pasta. In a large pot of boiling water, add a pinch of salt and a tablespoon of olive oil. Drop in 400 grams of thin spaghetti, letting it soften and naturally sink into the water. We'll let this cook for about 10 minutes. While we wait, let me know in the comments, how much do you love spaghetti on a scale from 1 to 10? Once it's ready, drain the spaghetti and toss it right into that rich sauce we just made. Gently mix everything together over a medium heat and just watch how beautiful every single strand of spaghetti gets coated in that luxurious creamy sauce. Turn off the stove and serve it up while it's nice and hot. Top it with a sprinkle of fresh parsley for a beautiful pop of color and flavor. If you loved this recipe, please hit that subscribe button and support my mom's channel. Thank you so much, and we'll see you in the next delicious recipe.